All right, welcome back to the Midwestern Samoan. I just wanted to go over a simple, maybe simple is not the right word, a common phrase or common words or phrases that we use in English that can get a little bit confusing to use Samoa, right? And that is the helping verb, like when you say I can do it, right? The can is the helper, and then the do is the verb, right? So you're saying like, oh, I'm able to do it, right? So like or I don't know, I can see, right? I'm able to see, right? So, in English, we can just put them right next to each other and we can just say, I can see. For Samoa, you have to say, ua mafai, right? So that's the presently able, ua mafai, and then you have to put ona, ua mafai ona o va'ai, right? So you have ua mafai is the able to, right? The ona connects that, right, to the va'ai. So ua mafai ona o va'ai. The o is the I part, right? So ua mafai ona o va'ai, right? I can see presently. We're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna keep it the present tense. There's a few choices we can use with present tense, and that's the e or the te, and those are tense markers. Talked about that in other videos. And then the ua is another present tense marker. The e and the te is more like a non-past, but whatever. And then and then olo'o even is like, that's like present tense, like actually doing it, like the ing, like olo'o va'ai means like I am seeing, right? I am seeing olo'o va'ai, or I am doing olo'o faya, right? Like I am doing, right? So anyways, we'll just keep a lot of it like ua, which is the present tense, meaning like it's like recently happening in the present, like it might not have been happening in the past. So we'll just keep it that, right? So so if you want to say like, oh, I can go, right? I can go. You can say, oh, like ua mafai, like there's the able to, ona, and then the o is the I, ua mafai ona o walu, like I can go, right? There's other words like we'll use in English, right? We'll do a lot of, oh man, I gotta do that, right? Like, oh, I have to do that, right? So you can say, so the present, like, oh man, I have to do that. Like, e tatau, the e is the present tense. Tatau is the like must. E tatau ona, right? E tatau ona o faya, right? I gotta do it, right? Like I gotta do, I don't know. I gotta do my work, right? E tatau ona o faya lo'u o la'u ngaluenga. Like I gotta do my work. E tatau ona o faya la'u ngaluenga. So that's the gist of it, right? There's other helping verbs, like this one's like one for like time, right? Like when we say like, oh man, it's been a long time, right? It's been a long time since, I don't know, it's been a long time since I went to the movies, right? So you would use ua leva, right? Leva is like a long time, right? Like long. It's like ua leva ona. So there's the ona. Ua leva ona o walu, like that's I go. So ua leva ona o alu ile tifanga. So it's been a long time since I've gone to the movies, right? ua leva ona o alu I le tifanga. So that's another one. You can or like, oh man, this, like when you could say like, oh man, this is not gonna be over. Like it's gonna be a long time until this is over, right? So you look at the word done, uma, right? And then the like, oh, it's not even close to being, like, this is a time thing, right? Not close. Like ele tai tai, ele tai tai, right? Ona, ele tai tai ona uma, like it's gonna be a long time since it's done. Ele tai tai ona uma ile vasenga, so the class. So you can say, oh, it's gonna be a long time until this class is over. So that's another one. So that's the simplest way to use those helping verbs. So like, basically they're describing the main verb, right? Like I'm able to, it's been it's a long time since, or even like to forget something, right? Like, and that's like to forget to do something, right? Like I don't know, I forgot to, I don't know. I forgot to go. I forgot to go to church, right? So you can say, oh man, or ngalo, right? Or like meaning like presently I, right? Or ngalo ona. So like I forgot, and then the ona, I forgot to. Or ngalo ona or you can say o ngalo ona o alu, right? So let's keep it simple like that. O ngalo ona o alu ile lotu. So like present, like ngalo is automatically looked at as like past tense, right? Because it's weird to say like I'm forgetting, right? No, I forgot, right? So the ua kind of places it there. So ua ngalo ona o alu ile lotu. So that's another one. And if you want more of these, I can go through a longer list of that in another video. But I just wanted to give how to use them. So again, when you have the helping verb to the main verb, you just use the word ona between them. So there. So in English, we don't have anything between usually, right? We'll say like, oh, like again, I can do that, or I should do that, or I should go, or, so like we can put them right next to each other, but for Samoa, we need the ona in between them. So there, that's the helping verb. And the again, just remember ona, and that should help. See, that should help. So should help. It's tatau ona fisoswani. So like that should help. There. All right. So thanks for watching. Again, click the like button. Check out the Midwestern Samoan store for any digital downloads. And again, comment below if you want a more in-depth digital download to go with this subject here of the helping verb. So again, thanks for watching.